Hello everyone, welcome back to our Odoo accounting series. In this video, we will discuss what are the automatic transfers, why we use automatic transfers, and how we can create these automatic transfers into Odoo accounting module. So moving with the definition, what are the automatic transfers? An automatic transfer in Odoo is a feature that moves balances from one account to another automatically on a schedule like monthly or quarterly. This is useful thing like prepaid expenses, accrued cost, or spreading out income or expense over time. So moving further, I will open my Odoo ERP system. In accounting module, in accounting tab, you can find this with the name of transfers. So you need to click onto the transfers, and here you can find all the pre-built transfers on this screen. If you want to create a new transfer, you simply need to click onto the new button. So when you click onto the new button, a new screen will open for you, and you need to fill the information or the automation which you want to set from your origin account to the destination account. So moving with our test. So for example, like I want to transfer my monthly expense from my bank account to my origin account, which is basically expense asset account on monthly basis. I want to transfer 5% from my bank account to the destination account. So I will give the name of like expense monthly basis 2025, and here I will select the period, what period you want to choose. I say this is from 1st January 2025 to the end of the December 31st of the December 2025. You can also choose the date according to your business requirement. Like for example, you are creating this from the month of March, so you can also select that date when you are going to start those transactions. So in my example case, I'm going to choose the start of the year, so that's why I choose this date 1st of the January 2025. So here you need to select the journal where you want to post all those transactions. So in my testing purpose, I choose miscellaneous operations journal. You can also create a different journal if you want to post these transactions separately. So into a specific journal, you can create journal and assign that journal here. Here I select the frequency, what frequency you want to use for this automatic transfer. So I say I will choose the monthly basis because I want to transfer my monthly expense from my one bank account from my one account to another one. So I will select the frequency monthly. You can also choose the frequency according to your need. So what is the origin account? Origin account is basically that account from which we will transfer our transaction, from which we want to send our balance or our assets or money. So for example, in our this I select the bank here, bank chart of account here. So I will select bank account here. So now this account is selected into the origin accounts. Now what is the next? The next thing is system is asking what is the automated transfer account. So what is your destination account and how much you want to transfer. You can see here this is percent, destination account, and partner filter and analytic filter. If you want to report all those expense into any project analytic distribution, you can select analytic account here, and system will record all that expense transactions on monthly basis in that project also. If you do not want to use, please keep this empty. And what next? Partner filter. If you want to specify any partner here, for example, in our case this is AGL. In Australia there is AGL, one of the like the electricity providers are like internet provider. So for example, if I am creating expense monthly basis for my utilities, so I can select that partner here. So for now I do not want to select any, so I keep this empty. So how now system is asking how percentage you want to transfer from the origin account to the to the destination account. I say 50% from this account to this account on monthly basis it should transfer. Or for example, I say 10%. Okay, so 10% from the bank account to the destination account. And what is my destination account? I say my destination account is expense assets account. So this is my destination account. So now all the information is filled on this screen. So I will save this information, and now this is currently in disabled state. So when I will hit onto the activate button, system will automatically enable this automatic transfer for us. Now this automatic transfer is enabled, and in running condition you can see here. Now you want to compute my transfers because currently today is the 23rd of the March, and I have started my period from the 1st of the January. So I will hit this button compute transfer. When I will hit this compute transfers, because 2 months are already past, January and the Feb, so system has created two transfers here. You can see here in this smart button. When I will click on this smart button, you can see here system posted two transactions into the draft state. So first I will click onto this one, and this is showing me the period that this is 1st of the Jan to 31st of the Jan. Accounting period is 31st of the Jan to 2025. What is the journal? What you can see, expense asset account is basically asset by nature. So this account is being increased because it is receiving the amount from that account, bank account. So it is increasing. So that's why transaction is showing onto the debit side. And our bank account, which is also asset account, but the amount is being decreasing from that account because we are sending amount from this account to this account. So that's why it is showing transaction onto the credit side. Other info you can also select automation. You can pass like auto post these transactions. If you want to check these transactions into your journal items, you can hit this button. You can select your fiscal position, and as well as you select your company here. So in journal items, I will click, because this is currently in draft state, I will click onto the post, and system will post those transactions into our journal. So this is also reverse entry. If you want to reverse the entry, like by mistake you have posted the transactions, now you want to revert the effect of those transactions, you can pass the reverse entry here. If you want to reset to draft, like you do not want to like use this transaction, you can also reset to draft. Click on reset to draft to reset these transactions from your journal. So going back into our journal entries, so you can see now this is in posted state. If I click on this one, I can also see this one. This is accounting day. This is for the March one, and you can see this is expense assets account, and all the other information we can see here, debit and credit, and same we can click onto the post, and these transaction will be posted into our journal. Same reverse entry and reset to draft. If you want to look into your journal entries, you can also click here, and you can find those transactions here. You can see the expense monthly basis 2025, and this is miscellaneous journal, and this is posted into our journal. Which journal? Miscellaneous operation journal. So this is how you can use automatic transfer into your Odoo accounting system. What is the main benefit? The main benefit is it can for the recursive payments which are occurring on to the monthly basis or yearly basis. If we set up automatic transfer for those transactions, so then we do not need to do those transactions by ourselves. Like we do not need to do those transactions manually. So system can through automation, Odoo can save our time. So this is main benefit of automatic transfer. I hope the concept is clear to you about the automatic transfers, and I also clear this thing how you can create automatic transfer and how you can use automatic transfer in Odoo accounting module. If you like this video, please like and share this video with your other Odoo friends, and keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned for my new videos. Thank you for your time. Have a good one. Bye.